Hey guys, welcome to another video. So it's been a few years since I've been making these YouTube videos and on Instagram as well. And I've been mostly making it on the phone and whatever resources I had actually. So I thought I'll upgrade myself and I'll buy myself a new camera. And it's here. It's a new Sony ZV-I or ZV-I as you call it. And yeah, I thought I was kind of excited to have such a nice huge box from Amazon. Of course I paid for it, but yeah, so I thought I will open it up and show what is there in it. Alright, so I'm opening it. Even I don't know exactly what is there in it, so we will share the excitement this time. So guys, this is the parcel and I thought I'll show you the unboxing of it. So I have a knife. I'll just rip the initial parcel apart. And yeah, there's another nice box. Unfortunately for a camera, it should have been a bit more better packed actually. Yeah, but it's okay. So there's a small paper to protect the camera, and this is the box. It's a Sony ZV-I. You can see this is the box. Alright, I'll just put this below and all the other junk as well. Alright, now again let me open the seal. Alright, so this is the camera. There's a small box for the camera. I've also purchased a stand along with it. So there's a stand and we'll see what more is there in it. And yeah, this is the battery. So it's not only the camera, it's also a creation kit. So it says, if you can see on the box, there's a camera, there's a stand, 2 batteries and a memory card. Alright, I don't know. Oh yeah, it's a 64 GB memory card. Alright, so let's have a look at what is there inside. So first of all, I'll open the camera, of course. I'm scared to use the knife though. Okay. So yeah, opening up the camera, I should give you a better view. So I'm again using my phone. So there's this, I think there's a scratch card. Yeah, there's a scratch card for the screen. Alright, there's the warranty card, a reference guide, more details, more paperwork, and so this is the camera. Alright, and yeah, this is the new beauty with which I'll be shooting from now on. Right, and let's keep the camera aside. The memory card is stuck to the box over here. I'll not remove it out now. There's one battery, alright, inside the box, and as I told you, there's one spare battery as well, which they have given me in the creator kit. I don't know exactly what this is, but some people call it a dead cat. I don't know why, but it just protects the sound from the wind. Actually, it gives a better sound quality when there are windy conditions. And then there's a USB cord, right? I also want to have a look at the stand. So let's open up the stand. Again, bubble wrapped. See, this is the stand. comes out like this. And over here the camera will sit. So this is the stand. Alright. And what else is there in the stand? There's a small cover for the stand, and there's a battery as well inside, and there's some more paperwork. Alright, and yeah, of course I showed you the battery already. So guys, this is the camera and this is the stand which I bought, and let's switch it on. So I'm still learning about the camera. Yeah, it comes on. Okay, so I have to enter all these details. Okay, so I got it to New Delhi. So I've entered my date and all these things, and again enter. And it's preparing database. So guys, I thought I should shoot the conclusion after using this for a few days. So I've been using this camera for a few days. This is how the final setup is. This is the stand, as I showed you, and yeah, so this is the Sony ZV-I, and one of the best things about this camera is the screen. Alright, it turns around like this, it flips around, and you can flip it around the way you want and all these things, so it is quite cool. Okay, that way it is quite nice. And the battery, yes, it is quite small. The battery time is around 1 hour. I've been using it for a few days now. It's a good camera, no doubt about it. It shoots in 4K, it shoots your slow motions, and of course it shoots and there's no time limitations like the other camera. In certain cameras like the Canon, what happens is if you're shooting in 4K, it stops at 30 minutes. There's a time limit. So in this particular camera, there is no time limit. The quality is amazing. The quality in this camera is amazing. The only thing is, it's just like a point and shoot, right? You cannot change the lens. Of course, there are limitations, but I think this is a powerhouse. This camera has been like a powerhouse, and yeah, I'm still at that learning curve. I'm still learning how to use it, but still I paid 70K for the whole kit, which you know what it includes now because I did the unboxing, of course. But other than that, if you look at the number of modes it has, it is unbelievable. I mean, the kinds of things it can do and the support it provides as a budding photographer or a budding videographer is great. So yeah, I hope this addition will, you know, bring in some change in the video quality and all these things. I'm not really shot a good long video with this, but I've been shooting small clips and I can see the quality difference, and it is great. It is great compared to your phone. Alright, and there is no comparison. I used to think that your phone and your camera would give the same quality. I strongly believe now that there's no comparison between if you're shooting with a phone and if you're shooting with a camera like this. So guys, this was my latest inclusion into my you know, gadgets. So yeah guys, so this is it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.